let's say I wanted this family to appear as though the worktop and the legs were constructed of one single element. Revit allows me to do that through the join function. So if you navigate to the Modify tab and select Join, you can select the worktop and then the leg, and then the other leg, and then this joined geometry here. And you can see this makes it look as though it's one solid piece. So when I load it into a project, so this is something we haven't come across yet. So when a family already exists in a project and you've edited it and load it back into the project, Revit will ask you if you want to override the project family. If you select override the existing version, it will override the existing version and maintain any parameters that you've got that are present in the project. However, if you override the existing version and its parameter values, any parameters you've changed whilst testing or flexing or changing the family in the family editor, these are the parameters that will then be used and will override the ones in the project. So it's very careful. You need to be very careful when selecting and the correct option depending on what you've been doing in the family editor. So I'm just going to click override the existing version, and you can see in 3D now that these appear as though they are one solid joined piece. So that is the basis of joining. If you need to unjoin, you can unjoin the elements by clicking on the drop down from join, selecting unjoin, and you can unjoin the elements from each other.